question that comes in mind is how these soda cans are made. Just like any other product, these soda cans go through a production process. The first step of this process is the acquisition of raw materials. Aluminum is the primary and commonly used raw material in creating these soda cans. The producer of the soda cans sources from aluminum suppliers and specifies the required alloy and thickness for the soda can to meet certain properties such as strength and weight. Other materials are also collected in this step. Depending on the manufacturer and the wanted design on the hand soda can, other materials collected are printing inks used to print out labels and give color to the outside of the cans, and lacquer or coating that serves as a lining to protect the aluminum and prevent any chemical interaction with the beverage to be stored inside. After all the raw materials are collected, the production process begins. It starts off with cutting and forming. The aluminum sheets are first die cut in circular blanks. They are then rolled on cylindrical cans with a series of presses and dies. It is a multi-step intricate process to shape them as desired with particular dimension. Next is seaming. The can's top and bottom are attached to the body with the use of a special seaming machine. It seals the can off and ensures a light, tight, and leak-proof seal. The next process is printing or decorating on the cans. With varying printing techniques, the logos, design, and information provided by the buyer are printed onto the cans. The cans are then coated with the lacquer that acts as the can's protective layer. The last step of the process is the quality control. During the production process, quality control tests are conducted to make sure that the cans comply with the specified requirements. This involves tests for defects, size, and seal integrity.
The next part is the distribution, where it is a process involves different steps with moving the product from the factory site to the end of consumer. Here are the first step: final inspection. Before the cans are shipped, they undergo a thorough final inspection. This ensures that every can meets quality standards, including checking the seals and internal pressure to avoid any flaws. Automated inspection systems meticulously review each detail to guarantee quality. Second step: packing. Once the cans pass inspection, they are carefully packed. The cans are packed into cartons or pallets or boxes to ensure that they are secure and protected during transportation. Proper packing helps prevent damage and maintains the product's quality during transit. Third step: branding. Each can is adorned with a recognizable brand logo. For example, the Coca-Cola brand, which is essential for brand identity. This branding process not only enhances consumer recognition but also signifies the quality and reliability associated with the branded products. Fourth step: transportation. After packing, the complete cans are dispatched to retailers and consumers worldwide. This involves logistics planning to ensure efficient delivery routes and methods, which can include trucks, ships, or trains depending on the destination. Fifth step: distribution to retailers. The can are now then distributed to various retailers where they are stocked and made available for purchase by consumers. These steps involve coordination with the retailers to ensure that the products are available in the right quantities and at the right times. Retailers stock the cans in stores, vending machines, or online platforms. 6. Consumer purchases. Finally, consumer purchase the product cans from the retailers. Consumers can buy the soda can from the store, vending machine, or online platform. Consumers enjoy the soda and often recycling the can after use. And there are additional considerations for this process. The quality control of the product is monitored to ensure that the soda can maintains its quality throughout the distribution. And then the marketing strategy where promoting the soda attracts consumers to advertising and commercial online. And lastly, open customer service, where the company handling inquiries and complaints to ensure the customer satisfaction.
Now, you're standing in a store, holding a cold can of soda, energy drink, coffee, or even beer. These aluminum cans are the packaging for many familiar brands such as Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Sanmig, Red Bull, and more. People buy these products for a variety of reasons: to quench their thirst, to stay awake for an energy boost throughout the day, or to simply relax after a long day. You can find these drinks in convenience stores, variety stores, or your local grocery store just about anywhere you go. Once you've enjoyed your drink, what happens next? The can is now ready for disposal. If the can is thrown in the trash and not separated for recycling, it ends up in a landfill. There, it is buried with tons of other waste. And guess what? Aluminum doesn't decompose easily. It can sit there for hundreds of years doing absolutely nothing. But what if, instead of discarding the can, we choose to recycle it? The can is collected from recycling bins and then undergoes a thorough cleaning to remove any leftover drink or dirt. It is then sorted to ensure that only reusable cans move forward in the process. After sorting, the cans are shredded into small pieces, which are easier to process. These pieces are melted at high temperatures, transforming them into a liquid aluminum. From this liquid aluminum, new aluminum sheets are formed, which are then shaped into new cans ready for another round of use. So the next time you're holding a can or energy drink, think about this. You're holding more than just a can. You're holding a resource with a second life, maybe even a third or a fourth. The choice is in your hands. Will that can end up in landfill, forgotten for centuries? Or will it be reborn, starting a new journey, all because of your decision to recycle? It all begins with one small action, one choice, one hand, yours.